Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Once Upon a Gun. Today we have the Walther PDP Pro-X. Excited about this one. It's a compensated gun, and it's a Walther, which I am a huge fan of, as you guys know. So let's take a look. Got the typical Walther box. This one is a big boy because this is a larger gun. Open this thing up, and there's the star of the show. So in the box we've got our gun lock. We've got the instruction manual. Make sure you read that. Yeah, got the optic plate installation tools, and then of course the QR code to order a optic plate. You're gonna need that. Two mags in here, speed loader. We've got some back straps here, tools, and then this pistol here. Now this one I have already opened up. As you can tell, this has already been taken out because I tried to make this video earlier, had some complications. So this is actually not the first look, this is the second, so I hope you forgive me, but I'm still just as enamored with this thing as I was the first time. Look at that. Oh, we got the base plates on these magazines, feel really good. Walther does a fantastic job with their magazines. Serrated magazine release here. The typical PDP ergonomics. We've got the enhanced trigger in here. Got the rail underneath. The beautiful serrations on the PDP, which are just some of my favorite. Optic cut, of course, so you can get that plate whichever you're ready. Pretty standard white dot for your sights, but again, I think they anticipate everybody is going to be putting a red dot if you have one of these on, so not too much of a need to go deep into the sights. But then of course we have the comp. This thing is just cool. I was super excited when I heard that Walther was coming out with this, so to actually be able to hold one now is pretty cool. Now a lot of people will say, well, you can get the TTI Combat from Canik, and it's pretty much the same. I don't know, maybe it is, but I like Walther, and I have so many Walthers, and I have seen so many Walthers come through the shop, and I continue to sell more Walthers than anything else. So obviously people want this gun. They want what Walther puts together, so I can't blame them. I'm a huge fan. So you got the nice PMM tag on the front, which is a nice finishing touch, I think. Yeah, this thing just feels good. You can see a little bit of wiggle, but pretty typical for a production gun, I think. Let's take a look at the trigger. Oh, that's nice. Reset. Oh, super short reset and right back on it. Let's take a look at that again for people in the back. Brake straight up, super clean, reset, super positive click, barely any movement after reset, and brakes. Yeah, this thing is great. I love it. Another, as far as I'm concerned, another hit from Walther. These guys are awesome. I have never seen a Walther that I haven't enjoyed. I've got some that go way back, the P99s, where Smith & Wesson making the slides. Got some Smith & Wesson branded on there, which is a little strange, but I love those guns. I love these guns, the original PDPs, the PPQs, you name it. If it's come from Walther, I have so far enjoyed them all. I don't think that this is going to be any different. So I really like that they have come out with something direct from the factory with a comp. Now, is it just like the TTI Combat? I don't know, but Caniks are clones of Walthers, so imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, right? I guess that's what they say. So maybe they are the same, but priced wildly different. I don't know, but having seen both, I'd still want both. These aren't mine, but I think I might need to get myself some of these as well. So hope you guys enjoyed taking a look. I'm excited about this one. If you have one, if you've shot this, please leave some comments. Let us know your thoughts. Is this as cool as it looks, or is it the first Walther that doesn't live up to its promise? I don't know. Hopefully you'll tell me. Appreciate you guys being here. See you on the next one.